Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1971 Nova SS. Got the owner Jimmy here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Jimmy?
Okay.
Nice car, man. So what do you got under the hood?
Small block roller motor.
350?
350.
About how many miles on the build?
You're lucky you got 10 miles on it.
Wow. Full roller too, right?
Yeah, it's an old roller motor. Roll lifter, roll cam. Brand new piston.
Okay.
10.5 compression.
10.5?
4-speed was all redone.
It's M20 or M21?
I think it's an M21.
Okay. It sits real nice with the old school Mickeys in the back.
Yeah. I had the wheels cut so they're in the well. Don't hit the well.
Okay.
Otherwise, a maiden wheel will hit the well.
Sure, of course. It fits beautiful.
You know, they're close, but they don't hit. Car runs good. It's a solid car.
Yep. Looks great. Dual exhaust.
Not too bad.
Got a 10 bolt or a 12 bolt under there?
10 bolt.
Okay. Is it posi?
Posi unit, 373 gears.
Okay. Nice highway gear. You've owned this car a little while, right?
Yeah, I just bought about
5 years.
6 years.
Nice paint, a little bit of metallic in it. Almost looks like a modern color to me.
Yeah.
Let's check.
Color. I don't even know what color it is.
I'd say it's a modern color, like a Toyota color or something.
It's fresh paint.
Paint's not too old, huh?
Yeah.
Let's open up the hood. Let's check it out. Man, pretty. It's fresh.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Everything's solid.
Holly high-rise manifold.
Carburator was just done. I had everything done. The heads are done.
Is that a 650?
750.
Double pumper.
Yep.
MSD 6AL, blaster coil, electronic ignition. Powder coated headers. It's a 2.5 inch exhaust.
Yeah.
All new bushings. The chassis almost looks powder coated to me.
It is.
Huh. I like your March pulley system. Disc brakes up front, right?
Yep.
Drum in the rear?
Drum in the rear, yeah.
Let's fire it up. Oh. You need the keys, right?
Yeah, that would help.
You need that?
Okay. What do I know?
No, the buzzer works. Cool. Sounds great. Full roller too, rockers, everything, right?
Yep, everything's brand new.
Yeah. Showing 18,691 miles. That's obviously 100 and change. Her shifter. It's great. It needs really just a shakedown. It's got no miles on it.
said, you should be driven.
Yep.
You should be driven and functioning.
Shake it down. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call on that 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's WeBe Autos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below. Thanks a lot.